to another Allure Beauty Box unboxing. This is for the February 2022 box. So we're going to dive right into this one. Bad for the additional boxes. Here's our actual thing. Okay, so here's the cover of it, which is freaking adorable. And we have got Give Me a Boost. February, the time of year when one more snowstorm could have me burning all of my sweaters. Okay, maybe not the cashmere ones. I could use a pick-me-up right about now, and if that pick-me-up comes in the form of indulgent skincare, gorgeous lipstick, and a super-powered hair mask, well, all the better. Your February box is one cheery and delicious-smelling antidote to a dull, dry winter slump, packed with classics like Allure award-winning products and a good old makeup artist staple, and new favorites alike. So, first thing in here. Oh, this is cute packaging. This is the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. Retails for $79, and I think it might even be full size, crazily enough. This gets the job done gently and helps the rest of your skincare penetrate better. Why you'll love it. This facial exfoliator is a lot like a good Netflix binge. It brightens things up in a way that is just so welcome this time of year. It's why the Radiance Boosting Formula won an Allure Best of Beauty Award, and why our editors have compared it to in-the-office microdermabrasion. Really, I can read. The magic is in its combo of physical and chemical exfoliators, aluminum oxide crystals, you sure that's safe? And lactic acid, respectively, cushioned and soothing jojoba seed oil, aloe vera, and chamomile. Like, I'm sorry, but, like, the idea of rubbing aluminum into my face, it doesn't exactly seem safe. How you'll use it. Smooth a pea-sized amount over your skin. Our editors like using it once a week, focusing on the T-zone, the rinse, the citrus-scented formula away for a baby-soft finish. Like, honestly, I am so sus of that. Man. Like, I'll have to read up on that to make sure it's, like, actually safe, because, I don't know, something about that seems quite dangerous. Let's see here. Next up, I love the retro vibes on this. It's so 70s and I adore it. This is the Topicals Like Butter Hydrating Mask. It retails for $32. I have to sneeze. Excuse me. Use this twice a week before bed for skin that's smooth like butter. Why you'll love it. I'm verklempt. If you get that reference, you'll appreciate the name of this moisturizing face and body mask. The ceramide squalane and shea butter pack mask makes skin so smooth, like, well, butter, but unlike its namesake, the mask melts into skin without any greasiness. That's always nice. How you'll use it. Apply a thin layer wherever you're looking for a dose of hydration. The mask is meant for face and body, and leave it on for 20 minutes, or overnight when you want more moisture. Our editors love using this twice a week to keep skin soft during cold winter months. Has green tea, madecassoside, turmeric, rhubarb, ginseng. Like, a lot of stuff in there. Sounds good. Sounds really good. And what is this? From a brand called Mented. Not Minted. Mented. It is the Mented Liquid Lipstick in Blood Orange, and it retails for $20. I think this is full size as well. Terracotta is a fun way to reimagine dark lip color. So why you'll love it. Deep reds and berries are classics we'll always go back to, but sometimes it's fun to spice things up. Burnt orange is a fresh choice with all the elegance of the OGs, and it's surprisingly easy to wear. Speaking of, a lot of matte lipsticks are drying, but this creamy formula is a happy, comfy exception. How you'll use it. Swipe the color right onto lips. It's pigmented enough that you don't need lip liner, and the doe foot wand makes precise application a breeze. Pair the deep orange with a touch of gold shadow on the center of the lids and or brown, smudge it along the lash line, a few swipes of mascara, and you're good to go. Not exactly a summer color, but you know, I'll probably try it anyway. Or I'll hang on to it for fall, one or the other. Knowing me, probably take me a while to get to it, so probably be fall. This is a sample size, but I have several of it, so between them I probably have the amount of a full size. There's the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This is a hair care staple and 5-time Allure Reader's Choice Award winner. Full size is $38. Why you'll love it. There's a reason Allure readers have voted this best conditioning hair treatment out there. The creamy mask, formulated with rosehip for hydration, almond oil for shine, and vitamin B to help with damage, delivers a boost of moisture back into hair and does everything a deep conditioning treatment should, making hair softer, hydrated, frizz-free, and shiny. We weren't kidding when we said everything. How you'll use it. In the shower, finger comb the mask through washed, damp, or wet hair, skip the roots if your hair is fine, and rinse it out 5 to 10 minutes later. You can throw your hair into a bun before the time is up, so none of the good stuff washes down the drain prematurely. That is a good way of doing that, although, how would you get your hair into a bun when it's all slippery? Question mark? Like, I don't know. I don't quite understand the line of thinking there, but okay. This, too, is a sample size, because full size is that big-ass bottle there. Full size is $35, but this is by Crabtree and Evelyn, and it's the Gardener's Harvest Hand Cream. A most amazing smelling antidote to dry winter hands. Why you'll love it? When just the thought of washing your hands one more time is painful, so many dishes. This hand cream rescues dry, cracked knuckles with sunflower, chia, and borage oils. Its herbaceous scent is a soft, warm, and fun alternative to the usual citrus and floral fragrances. How you'll use it: squeeze a small dollop onto the back of your hands, where winter-weary skin often needs a fast shot of hydration the most. Okay. I think I had another little sample of this guy, too. This is also a sample. Full size is $10.69. It's the Heritage Store Rose Water Refreshing Facial Mist. Don't be surprised if you go backstage during a fashion show and see this bottle everywhere. Really, right now. Why you'll love it. This delicate try that again. This delicate facial mist, made with just 2 ingredients, purified water and damask rose oil, is a staple in countless makeup artists' kits. The hydrating spritz is beloved as a prep step for radiant skin, a setting spray to prevent makeup from creasing, and a refresher that makes skin glow even after that 3 p.m. slump. Makeup artists also spray it over their sponges to help blend foundation or concealer over skin. How you'll use it: mist onto skin from about 12 inches away. You can use it under moisturizer in the morning, or to perk everything up, spray it on top of skincare and makeup as the day goes on. You can also keep it in the fridge for a cooling, refreshing pick-me-up. And then oh, I guess this is just like a little bonus thing that MAC must have paid to have put in there. But it's the MAC Stack on Infinite Layers of Volume and Length Mascara. Huh. I kind of doubt that. Like, even by their example photo, I am sus as hell, because it looks like it's already clumpy. But, I mean, I'll always take mascara. Plus, it's MAC, so I'll, like, really, really take it, but interesting. Interesting. I'll try it anyway. So that was what I got in the February box. It was a good box. So anywho, that's it for this one. I am slowly catching up. So anyways, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Instagram, my Twitter, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.